Welcome. If you're tired of seeing too many posts from a certain Facebook group cluttering up your feed, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily hide all posts from any Facebook group using your PC with the latest update. This method is super simple and will help you keep your feed clean and focused on what matters most to you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, scroll through your feed until you find a post from the group you want to hide. You don't need to visit the group itself. Just look for any post from that group in your main feed. When you spot a post from the group, look to the top right corner of the post. You'll see 3 small dots lined up vertically. Click on those 3 dots to open a menu of options. From this menu, you'll see several choices, but the one you're looking for says, Hide All from followed by the group's name. For example, if the group is called Travel Lovers, it will say, Hide All from Travel Lovers. Click on that option. Instantly, Facebook will remove all posts from that group from your feed. You won't see any more updates from that group unless you visit the group page directly. Don't worry, this doesn't remove you from the group or notify anyone. You're still a member, and you can always reverse this action later if you change your mind. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can take control of your Facebook feed and make sure you only see the content you care about. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized feed.